Any Marvel fans out there? Any Loki in particular fans out there? So I'm told that this is Loki and he is the god of mischief. And he is from the Marvel films, the Marvel crew. I don't know what I'm talking about when it comes to Marvel and Avengers. I just get asked to do a theme and do it. So what I've done here is I've printed out an edible print picture of Loki and then attached him to the cake, which is crumb coated in ganache. And then I've gone all the way around, leaving the picture showing, gone all the way around with a green buttercream. And then where he's sort of popping out of the cake or sat in the cake looking all mysterious, I've gone around the edges with some edible gold paint, and then I've done the top a rustic style with the edible gold paint as well. Splashes of it, swirls of it, a marble fondant board that it's sat on. And then I've slightly airbrushed the green fondant just to get a few darker patches, just to sort of tie in with the theme and the effect of this picture. Happy how it's turned out overall. I'm not a buttercream queen, I have to admit. I'm more experienced with fondant, so my finish on this isn't perfect, but luckily the style of the cake is rustic and it all ties in. So on top I've just done, apparently he has these horns that come off his helmet. So I've just made those out of modelling paste, stuck some skewers in them and then inserted them into the cake, and then just put a little bit of gold edible paint around the base to look like they're breaking through the top of the cake. But this sort of deep green, emerald green colour is amazing, I love it. Inside this one is a red velvet sponge with vanilla buttercream, and then the vanilla buttercream coloured green all the way around the outside. And I've just used a little bit heavy-handed here, but I've just used the leftover gold paint to flick onto the cake, and some of it's gone onto the board as well, and I just love that effect. So there we are, that's Loki, the god of mischief.